Internal combustion engines are fascinating pieces of engineering. They're essentially controlled explosions happening thousands of times per minute, all working together to create power. The basic principle is simple: burn fuel inside a chamber to create pressure, and use that pressure to drive a piston. This piston is connected to a crankshaft, which converts the up and down motion into rotational force. This rotational force is what ultimately powers the wheels of your car or the propeller of an airplane. It's a symphony of controlled chaos, and it's what makes these engines so impressive. There are two main types of internal combustion engines, gasoline and diesel. Both operate on the same basic principle, but there are some key differences between the two. Understanding these differences is important when it comes to choosing the right engine for a particular application. Let's delve into the specifics of each engine type and see how they stack up against each other. Gasoline engines are known for their smooth operation and high revolutions per minute. They use spark plugs to ignite the air-fuel mixture, creating a controlled explosion that drives the piston. Gasoline is a relatively volatile fuel, which means it ignites easily. This makes gasoline engines easier to start, especially in cold weather. They're also generally less expensive to manufacture than diesel engines. Diesel engines, on the other hand, are known for their torque and fuel efficiency. Instead of spark plugs, they use compression ignition. The air is compressed to a much higher degree in a diesel engine, which generates enough heat to ignite the diesel fuel when it's injected into the cylinder. This high compression ratio makes diesel engines more fuel efficient, but it also means they require heavier and more robust construction. This added weight can impact performance, but it also contributes to their legendary durability. So, which is better? It really depends on the application. Gasoline engines are great for everyday driving and offer a smoother, quieter ride. Diesel engines excel in heavy-duty applications where torque and fuel efficiency are paramount. And cleaner, more sustainable technologies will be leading the charge.